Sam, this new, what are we calling it? A new proposal from the FDA?
It's not a proposal, it's actual law requiring cybersecurity requirements for new applicants. All the non-controversial stuff for the Patch Act, right, got adopted. And so the FDA is now published, instead of guidance, right now requirements, right, for any medical device manufacturer to go ahead and submit. It's very similar to the guidance that they've had out for years, but instead of saying, right, it's really nice if you do this, please do this, now it's, you're not going to be able to sell your product unless you do this. And so they're not really moving the yardstick too much, right? There's some improvements, there's some, changes into the guidance, but fundamentally now they have the ability to say no, which they've never had in the past.
First, from the side of the medical device manufacturers, I don't know if you've been talking to them at all, had they already been ahead on this stuff, or are some of them going to be playing catch up?
So the large, right, multinational type of manufacturers that already have rules in Europe and other places, right, they're ahead of it. It's the medium and small size manufacturers that really are playing catch up, and it's the small ones we're super worried about.
Is there any fear that they're just not going to be able to do this and the devices won't be able to get to market?
There's a couple of fears. That's one of them, and it's not that it won't get to market, it's going to take longer to get to market. The other concern, and we haven't seen it yet, but it's going to take a couple years to flush out, is that medical devices are going to get more expensive, which of course those of us in healthcare don't want to have happen.
I mean, I know some of these never had security at all.
No, not at all. So some of the minimum standards are things that we should be doing anyway, right? We need to have a process to patch a device. You also have to submit a new SBOM, right? They've put an SBOM requirement in so that now the FDA will be able to collect, right, these software bills and materials, and we'll be able to vulnerability management a little bit easier because we know what's in the device.
So I'm going to assume in conclusion you're buoyed by this?
Yes, we are super excited.
Even though it's going to affect your budget?
Yeah, well, and there's going to be other implication. There's always, give and take when stuff like this happens. We're going to be affected, but the huge step forward is something everybody should celebrate.